are doing the chapter 5 natural vegetation and wildlife. In previous video we have discussed some important terms, factors responsible for diversity in flora and fauna. Also we have discussed the importance of forest. In today's session we will discuss the different types of natural vegetation, wildlife, measures taken by the government to protect flora and fauna. Let's start our first topic, and that is types of vegetation. Natural vegetation means the original land cover consisting of forest vegetation. India has a great variety of natural vegetation which can be divided into 5 categories. First one, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn or the scrubs, montane forest and mangrove forest. Tropical evergreen forest found in the areas having rainfall more than 200 centimeter. And कहाँ देखा जाता है? This type of forest found in western slopes of Western Ghat, northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Islands. Height of the tree is almost 50 meters and the region is warm and wet throughout the year. So that's why it has luxuriant vegetation covered throughout the year. There is no time limit for trees to shed their leaves. That's why this forest also called as the evergreen forest. Okay, remain green all the year round. Important trees are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, and important animals are elephants, monkey, deer, one-horned rhinoceros. Tropical deciduous forest require rainfall for this type of forest between 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter. This forest also called as the monsoon forest. Trees shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in summer. On the basis of availability of water, these forests are further divided into two groups. First one called as the moist deciduous forest and second one called as the dry deciduous forest. Common animals are found in that particular forest are lion, tiger, pig, deer, elephants, and huge variety of birds, lizard also we can see in this type of forest. Our next topic is tropical thorn forest or scrubs. Require rainfall for this type of forest less than 70 centimeter. Found in semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Haryana. Vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes, axia, cacti, palm like this type of trees we can see in this forest. Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil and spreading in a radial pattern to find water. Stems are succulent to conserve water. Common animals found in rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass. Okay. Tidal forest or mangrove forest found in areas of coast influenced by the tides. Mud and sleet get accumulated on such coast. Dense mangrove are the common varieties with roots of the plants submerged under the water. Found in the deltas of Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari and the Kaveri. Sundari trees are found in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, provide durable hard timber. Other plants are palm, coconut, kevra. Famous animal found in this type of forest, mainly Royal Bengal tiger. Common animals found in turtles, crocodile, gharials and snakes. Our next classification is montane forest, and this forest are found in between 1000 meter to 2000 meter in elevation. These are used extensively for grazing by nomadic tribes like the Gujjars and the Bakarwals. Areas covered tropical to the tundra region. Vegetation found oaks, chestnut, pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce, cedar, junipers and mosses, lichens and the birches. Animals found Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jack, rabbit, Tibetan antelope, bear and rare red panda. India also has a great variety of medicinal plants like sarfagandha, jambun, arjun, neem, tulsi, babul. Now my dear children, we are going to discuss some important data about wildlife of India. India has 89,000 of animal species and 1200 species of birds. They constitute 13% of world's total. There are 12% of world's fish stock. It also shares 5 to 8% of world's amphibians, reptiles and mammals. I think children you have heard about endangered species. A large number of birds and animals are in danger of getting extinct. These are called endangered species. What are migratory birds? Birds that migrate from one region to another, traveling in thousands to build nests and raise their young ones and go back later are termed migratory birds. Example Siberian crane and flamingo. Why are the species of animals facing a major threat of extinction? Due to the hunting by greedy hunters for commercial purposes, due to pollution, especially chemical and industrial waste and acid deposit, due to introduction of alien species, due to reckless cutting of forests to bring land under cultivation and inhabitation. To conserve the endangered species of wildlife, various steps have been taken by the government. Various national parks, sanctuaries, biosphere reserve have been set up in the various parts of India where wild animals and birds are kept in their natural habitat. 14 biosphere reserve have been set up in the country to protect flora and fauna. Four out of these, namely Sundarbans, Nanda Devi, Kalp of Mannar, and Nilgiris, have been included in the World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Financial and technical assistance is provided to many botanical gardens by the government since 1992. Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard, and many other eco-developmental projects have been introduced. 89 national parks, 49 wildlife sanctuaries, and zoological gardens are set up to take care of natural heritage. So, my dear children, that's the end of this chapter. We will meet in our next class with new topics. Till then, bye. Take good care of yourself and happy learning.